Hey guys, I'm doing a crybaby challenge. Sorry about that. See? I couldn't really find the rules, so I watched the video, and they both had 5 crybabies. So I'm going to grab 5 crybabies, and of course, there's 5 different colors in here. Oh wait, I think there should be. I'm not sure. And I'm gonna shove them all into my mouth at once. Okay, let's see. So there's only 4 different colors. So the green was pretty sour, so I just grabbed 2 green. Or I meant I have a lot of yellow, so I actually grabbed a yellow. Okay. So I have, there's usually a blue one, but there isn't. So I have 2 yellows, a red, a green, and an orange. Okay. Well, now I'm going to open them. I'm gonna make this sure this doesn't like pop out, because the first one I had was orange, and it wasn't really that sour. And I popped onto the computer desk, and my mom saved it. So, one person said that they're way sour, more sour than Warhead. So if you tried a Warhead, you could stand these, because these are not more sour than a Warhead. Trust me. Okay. So, I have red and yellow so far. Did somebody mute the TV?
No, I turned it on.
Okay.
I know that's not going to come out.
Okay. 3.
Why? Did you turn the volume off?
Faith did.
No, I turned it down.
4. And 5. And I think the least sour one is probably orange. I'm not sure though. And like, I could squeeze lemons into my mouth and it won't be sour. And I could squeeze, or I could put the blue Warhead into my mouth and it won't be sour. So these probably won't be that sour. But here it goes. Let's check. I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See that? 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I hope these don't all fit in my mouth. They probably can. Ready? Set. Ah. Ah. Oh, I can't put them in the mouth.
See, it says you can't put them all in your mouth.
Oh. Oh.
Let me grab it down.
I want a lot. I'm going to on this.
Huh? I think these are much sour than. Look at the doggy. Yeah, come on, doggy. Come on. Come on. Anna. You know you let me. Ew.
What?
You liked my what?
What?
With those sheets that are in the, do you see your sheets with all the tails and everything?
Uh-huh.
Will you get the 2 pillowcases that are in there and bring them down, please?
Ugh. This is gum, by the way.
I'm sorry, I couldn't find the one because it was hanging up.
Want to see how it looks?
No.
Okay. Wait.
Yes.
If you don't want to see, you might want to stop now.
Faith, are you done your homework?
Yeah.
Are all your books picked up and put away? Faith, your stuff is not. You need to do something about that. Pick all that
Thanks
stuff
for
up
watching
put it
and
away.
subscribe. Oh, and inbox me some challenges. Bye.